Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Moving into a side leg lift variation. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Alternate lifting each leg up, out to the side and back to center, flowing from right to left. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your navel back towards your spine, lightly lifting through your lower belly, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while creating more mobility in your hips. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding a leg extension. With a straight leg, lift up, out to the side, and back to center, alternating right and left. Continue with this movement, keeping your legs straight and strong, contracting through your leg muscles. Release and step your feet back to center. Moving into another leg lift variation, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift both legs up, out to the side, and back to center. Continue with this movement, and for more ease, return to the alternate leg lift variation. Stay connected to your breath as you keep your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.